speak up if I got something to say, 'cause it ain't over until she sings. You had your reasons, you had a few, but you know that I would go anywhere for you, 'cause it ain't over until she sings.
Kebo udah pulang merantau dari Jogja ke Jawa Timur. Pulang merantau. Hai. Oke, selamat. Wah, ternyata greget saya. Bahaya sekali, guys.
Kesel guys.
Mbak Ica aja jomblo pura, Mbak?
Jomblo loh.
Jomblo lur. Saya banyak teman cowok, banyak nanti bisa. Banyak. Oke, terima kasih. Nanti lihat YouTube saya, channel YouTube saya. Bisa di like dan subscribe.